For the first time in history, a woman and a person of color are about to step on the moon. This isn't science fiction, this is NASA's Artemis 3 mission, scheduled for 2026. But how did we get here? And why is this mission so important for the future of space travel? Stick around, because what NASA is planning could change everything about how we explore space. At the Artemis program explained. What is Artemis 3? NASA's Artemis program is the next big step in human space exploration. Named after the twin sister of Apollo, the Artemis missions are designed to return humans to the Moon, establish a lunar base, and eventually pave the way for Mars missions. Artemis 1 and 2 will test the Space Launch System, SLS, and Orion spacecraft, while Artemis 3 will finally land astronauts on the lunar surface for the first time in over 50 years. But this isn't just another Apollo mission. This time, we're staying. Who are the astronauts of Artemis 3? First woman on the moon. For the first time in history, a female astronaut will walk on the moon. This moment will inspire generations of young women to pursue careers in space and science. First person of color on the moon. NASA has also confirmed that a person of color will be among the astronauts landing on the moon, marking a huge step for diversity and representation in space exploration. Who are they? While NASA has not officially confirmed the crew, astronauts like Jessica Meir, Christina Koch, and Victor Glover are top candidates. The technology behind Artemis 3. The Space Launch System, SLS, Artemis 3 will be launched aboard NASA's most powerful rocket ever, the Space Launch System, SLS. This massive rocket will send the Orion spacecraft toward the Moon. Orion capsule. The Orion spacecraft will carry astronauts to lunar orbit, where they will transfer to SpaceX's Starship for the final descent to the Moon. SpaceX's lunar Starship. NASA has partnered with SpaceX to develop a custom Starship lander for the Artemis missions. This lander will bring astronauts safely to the Moon's South Pole, a region full of water ice critical for future lunar colonies. Why Artemis 3 is a game changer. A permanent lunar presence. Unlike Apollo, Artemis 3 is part of a long-term plan to establish a moon base for future missions to Mars and beyond. Using lunar resources. Scientists believe the Moon's ice deposits could provide drinking water and fuel for rockets, making future space travel more sustainable. The gateway to Mars. NASA and its partners see the Moon as a stepping stone to Mars. The technology and experience gained from Artemis 3 will help prepare for the first human Mars mission. But will Artemis 3 succeed? Or will this mission face the same budget cuts and delays that have plagued space programs before? The challenge is ahead. Delays and budget cuts. NASA has already faced delays and funding issues. Artemis 3 was originally planned for 2024 but was pushed to 2026 due to technical and financial challenges. Landing on the lunar South Pole. Unlike Apollo, which landed near the equator, Artemis 3 will explore the Moon's South Pole, an area full of rugged terrain and extreme temperatures. The new technology risks. The mission relies heavily on SpaceX's Starship lander, which is still under development. If Starship isn't ready in time, NASA may have to delay Artemis 3 even further. Conclusion. What's next? So, what do you think? Will Artemis 3 be the mission that takes us to Mars? Will this historic moment inspire a new generation of space explorers? Or will technical and financial challenges hold it back? Comment below with your thoughts. And if you love space content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on NASA, SpaceX, and the future of space exploration. Theo.